Hello everyone, check what came today. Now this is for my Harley Davidson guys. We have the Zard exhaust. It's the full exhaust system for your Harley Davidson. Here's the code. Now this is for the XR1200 and it's the racing full system with the titanium sleeve. But look at the welds. Look at how detailed all these TIG weldings are. And if I open the entire pipe, can you guys see? It's the snake welded version, the more expensive option, which will have all those welds, the royal blue purple welds on the headers, on the mid pipe, and then we have two mufflers. Get yours at 2to4wheels.com.